learn how to check your InvesTiger holding through the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. Go to Portfolio from the hamburger menu inside Equity, or access it from the bottom sheet. Here, you'll see your InvesTiger holding summary, which includes the total hold value and total market value. To check individual stock details in Card View, click on View More. You will see details like Mirae Asset Sharekhan quantity, InvesTiger quantity. For example, if you hold 6 shares of a company in your InvesTiger account, it will be displayed here. If you are viewing in Grid View, you will find the details on the extreme right under the InvesTiger quantity. That's how you can easily check your InvesTiger holding in the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.